Greetings and welcome to week 14 of COMM 110, Fundamentals of Public Speaking. We have a very short week this week, of course, due to the Thanksgiving holiday at the end of the week. No on-campus classes on Thursday or Friday, and so as a result of that, in our online class we have an abbreviated course plan in which there's only 2 items that you need to do for coursework this week. And neither of them are anything as far as the normal sorts of coursework we have. We do not have a new chapter in the Jaffe text, so no reading quiz, no discussion forum, or anything like that makes up our typical coursework. The 2 things that you have to do this week for coursework are the mini persuasive speech and submitting speaker critique number 3. The mini persuasive speech I spoke a little bit about last week. It is an opportunity for you to do a little bit of persuasive speaking and kind of have a chance to exercise your persuasive speaking skills before you do the major persuasive speech here in a couple of weeks. So it gives you a chance to practice your persuasive speaking. It gives you a chance to develop or practice developing a persuasive claim, and it gives you another chance to develop, or I guess a first chance to develop your paperwork related to a persuasive speech. There is a little bit of preparation paperwork that you're going to need to submit with the mini persuasive speech, and you can see the details of that as well as additional details related to the mini persuasive speech in the assignment guidelines, which you may have looked at already since I had a link to them in last week's coursework. One thing that I want to make clear, I think it says this in the assignment guidelines, but I want to make sure that everybody understands this, is that for this mini persuasive speech, you do not need to develop the topic from your broad topic. You will need to develop your topic for the major persuasive speech from your single broad topic, as you did for the first 2 major speeches. But for this minor speech, the mini persuasive speech, you can do any topic that you want related to any subject area that you want. You just have to think of the topic, an argument that you want to propose, and then develop your persuasive claim of one of the 4 types of persuasive claims that we learned about last week, and then finish crafting your speech on the basis of that. This is the last minor speech that we do during the semester, and the only one that we do in the second half of the semester. So once you have submitted the mini persuasive speech, the only speaking performance or speech that you have left then during the semester is the major persuasive speech. The second piece of coursework this week is speaker critique number 3, the third of the 4 speaker critiques that you'll do over the course of the semester. Now, being the third one, you've got a couple of these under your belt already. I think that everybody has got a pretty good idea of what the speaker critiques are supposed to be, and has done a good job so far in the first 2 critiques of finding a speaker, attending that speaking performance, taking notes on it, and then writing up those notes into a short paper. Look at the guidelines again if necessary. I've provided another link to them in this week's coursework, so let me know if you have any questions regarding the speaker critique that you'll be turning in this week. So the schedule for those 2 assignments is that the mini persuasive speech is due by 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday evening, and then the speaker critique is due by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday evening. So just those 2 things this week. And once you have got those 2 completed by Wednesday evening, you will be able to enjoy the rest of the week and enjoy the Thanksgiving holiday. And I would like to, on that note, wish you and yours a very happy Thanksgiving.